In this video, I will be disassembling this 2018 Hyundai Sonata LED headlight. Here's the part number on the light. Before I remove the remainder of the lens, I'm first going to remove this upper mounting bracket. This upper mounting bracket is held in place with 6 Phillips head screws. Next, I will cut off the remainder of the lens. I've disconnected the lens from the light. Here we can see that the bezels are connected to the lens using a series of Phillips head screws. I will begin by removing the turn signal reflector. Next, I'm going to remove this cover over the headlight leveling adjuster. Next, I will turn this leveling screw all the way to the left until it is disconnected from the projector. I will do the same on this bottom leveling screw. The bottom leveling screw released this AFS motor. The upper leveling screw released this corner mounting tab. Next, I will use a pair of needle nose pliers to release the upper inside mounting tab for the projector. With the 3 mounts released, I can now pull the projector forward. Next, I will remove the screws holding in the LED ballast. Next, we need to release the main wire harness connector on the rear of the light. To release the main wire harness connector, I'm going to grab it with a pair of pliers and turn it to the right. Next, I will remove the screws for the turn signal and corner light bulbs. Now I simply need to pull everything out of the light. The headlight housing is now empty. Next, I'm going to release the 2 wire harness connectors from the projector. Next, I'm going to release the wire connectors from both of the control units. There are 4 Phillips head screws holding the AFS motor to the bottom of the projector bracket. Next, I will remove the cooling fan by removing the 2 Phillips head screws and the wire harness connector. Next, I'm going to disconnect the LED wire harness connector. Next, I'm going to remove the 4 Phillips head screws holding the projector to the bracket. There are 2 on top, 2 on the bottom. Next, I will release the wire harness connector for the bi-LED solenoid. The projector is now free. Next, I will remove the 4 Phillips head screws holding on the lens. There are 2 Phillips head screws holding on the LED reflector. The headlight is now fully disassembled. Here are the components from the light. I hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching.